My name is Ben Weiss. I'm working for CEVA as a vision expert in the customer solution group. Today's talk is about deploying visual SLAM building blocks into low-power devices like CEVA XM DSP. So in this talk, we will briefly go over the visual SLAM building blocks and visual SLAM flow and what is it good for. What kind of challenges are raised when we implement it in real time, low-power device like CEVA XM DSP family, and how we can overcome those challenges using CEVA SLAM SDK. CEVA DSP is the worldwide leading licensor of DSP IP. We have DSP IP solutions for several signal processing fields like cellular, connectivity, sound, vision, and AI at the edge. CEVA XM is our DSP solution for imaging and computer vision, as well as deep learning, while NuPro is CEVA's hybrid solution for accelerating AI at the edge, including a DSP and a powerful AI accelerator. So why do we need SLAM? Applications such as augmented reality or virtual reality and applications like indoor navigation requires a precise estimation of a device position and orientation. Solutions that are based on GPS or IMUs only have low accuracy and are not good enough for real products. In order to create a real immersive AR experience, we need to have a truly autonomous device. We need something else. We need SLAM.